Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Hyundai Elantra. As the automotive landscape evolves, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra emerges as the best small car for 2025, offering an exceptional blend of style, efficiency, and advanced technology. This compact sedan continues to build on Hyundai's reputation for delivering high-value vehicles with a focus on performance, comfort, and modern features. Sophisticated performance. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra is designed to deliver a dynamic driving experience, offering a range of engine options to suit diverse driving preferences. The standard model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, the Elantra N model boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine generating 276 horsepower and 289 lb-ft of torque, ensuring a thrilling performance with rapid acceleration and engaging handling. The Elantra's ride quality is further enhanced by its well-tuned suspension, which balances comfort with responsive handling. The sedan's nimble dynamics and precise steering make it a pleasure to drive, whether on city streets or open highways. The efficient powertrains also contribute to impressive fuel economy, with the standard model achieving an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon combined. Modern and bold design. The 2024 Elantra stands out with its bold and contemporary design. Its sharp lines, distinctive front grille, and sleek LED headlights give it a commanding presence. The sedan's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves overall efficiency. The rear features a distinctive LED light bar and a stylish diffuser, adding to its sporty look. Inside, the Elantra offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with a focus on high-quality materials and thoughtful design. The driver-centric layout includes a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with an optional 10.25-inch display for those seeking a more immersive experience. The cabin is equipped with modern conveniences such as dual-zone climate control, a wireless charging pad, and a premium sound system, ensuring both comfort and connectivity. Advanced technology and safety. The 2024 Elantra is packed with advanced technology features that enhance both convenience and safety. Hyundai's SmartSense suite of driver assistance systems comes standard, including forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The available highway driving assist system provides additional support for highway driving, making long trips more relaxing. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration for navigation, music, and communication. The Elantra also offers an available navigation system with real-time traffic updates and a premium sound system for an enhanced audio experience. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra has already garnered significant attention for its combination of style, performance, and value. Its competitive pricing, wide range of features, and modern design make it a standout choice in the compact car market. The Elantra's availability at Hyundai dealerships nationwide ensures that drivers can easily access this exceptional small car. Conclusion. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra sets a new standard for small cars, combining sleek design, advanced technology, and efficient performance. As the best small car for 2025, it offers a compelling choice for drivers seeking a blend of practicality and sophistication. Hyundai's commitment to innovation and quality ensures that the Elantra remains a top contender in the compact car segment, providing an exceptional driving experience for a diverse range of consumers.